Okay, everyone, and let's go through how to add a GIF to a video. And first of all, what we're going to do is go to the left-hand side here where it says Video 1, right-click here, and then go to Tracks from Sequence Command, Add Video. All right, so now you've got another little space to add for your videos, for your GIF. Okay, so it's going to go to Assets. It's going to grab the file then, and then I'll import it into, so I'm just going to drag the GIF that I have from my file, Windows file, put that in here. Okay, and then once I've done that, so then now that's there, what I want to do is I'm just going to mark out how long I want the video to kind of be. So I'm just do that there. Okay, so click these two buttons here. Okay, in the exact spot where you want the subscription button to end. So the add link there, add mark in, and then out mark, and then click this button here, delete and cut. Okay, and it's going to remove. I'm going to move this over here out of the way, and then what I'll do is just drag this. Now this is the GIF that I have. I'm just going to drag it over, and let me just get rid of the audio from that there. And I'm going to put it over this here, like that. All right. Now, first thing I want to do is go to Effects, then go to Transform, drag that over to the GIF. Okay. And then once you've done that, then all you're going to do is just make sure that it's only the GIF that is moving and not the screen and not the video at the back. Okay. I'll explain in a little bit why I said that. So once you've done that, you can see that the GIF is there. We want to get rid of this green bit here. So if you go to Key, then drag green screen, put that over there. Okay. So now that we've got rid of the green stuff, we can also resize it without having to worry about the background video being affected. So only this is going to be edited. So I've put that there, and let's move that, I should say there. Okay, so it's going to do a little run and see how it goes. Okay, so if I just play the video now, there we are. So I've got the little subscribe button all sorted there. Now, the issue that I had with what I did beforehand, and the reason why I'm saying you want to make sure the images are moving, I'll go over it again. So I'll go to Assets, drag in the video or the GIF. What I did before, which was a mistake, is I put the green screen over the image first. Okay, and oh, okay, cool. I have the GIF, it's there, but I can't move it. Then what I did next, which you shouldn't do, is I did this here. I put in Transform, and now look what happens. So the whole video moves together rather than just the GIF that you want. So don't do that. All right, so let's just do it all in real time without any talking. I'll just do the whole thing again. There we go. So that's the tutorial. Hopefully you found it useful. Of course, one other thing, make sure that the asset that you have, it has a green screen background. And other than that, thank you very much for watching the video. Hopefully you found it useful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for other little tips and tricks when I do make them.